In today's lecture, we'll have a brief introduction of multiplexers and also we'll learn how to construct a 2-to-1 multiplexer. A multiplexer is a combinational circuit that selects binary information from one of many input lines and directs it to a single output line. It can act as a digital switch because input is switched to output based on the selection line. It is also called as data selector because it selects which data is to be sent to the output. The selection of a particular input line is controlled by a set of selection lines. Normally, there are 2 power n input lines and n selection lines. That is, for example, if there are 8 2 power 3 input lines, there will be 3 select lines. Below is the M by N mux block diagram. Generally, we called multiplexer as mux in short. M by N means M input lines and N selection lines and 1 output. This is a general block diagram and it is drawn in wedge shape to indicate that you have more number of inputs and 1 output. Now let us construct 2 by 1 multiplexer. Before constructing the multiplexer, let us design the truth table. Here is the block diagram of 2 by 1 multiplexer. You have 2 input lines, 1 selector line and 1 output. This is the truth table. We need to note one point here, that generally while writing the truth table we consider inputs and outputs, but here in case of multiplexer we take selection line as the input, that is selector S is considered because output here depends on the selection line but not on the inputs. When S is 0, input D0 appears at the output, and when S is 1, input D1 appears at the output. After designing the circuit, we'll see whether we'll have the same functionality or not. Once you have the truth table, you can write the equation for the output. Output Y equal to D0 into S complement plus D1 into S. You have the equation in your hand, so you can draw the circuit very easily. 2 inputs D0 D1 and 1 select line, and as you have S complement here, I have taken the inverter in order to get the complemented S, that is S complement. You have D0 into S. D0 into S means you will be using a AND gate, and D1 into S another AND gate. Both these are OR together, that is the outputs of these AND gates will be given to the OR gate. So Y is D0 S bar, D0 S complement, and D1 S, D1 into S, both are given to the OR gate. This is the circuit diagram of 2-to-1 multiplexer. Now let us check this with the truth table. We have discussed that when S is 0, output is D0, that is D0 appears at the output. Now let us check this condition. When S is 0, this becomes 1, D0, and this is 1, this AND gate is enabled, and this is 0, so if any one of the input is 0, this AND gate is disabled. So only the first AND gate is enabled, and the output here is D0, which appears at the Y. Now when S is 1, this becomes 0. If this becomes 0, this AND gate is disabled, and this is 1 D1, output here is G1, and this appears at the output, that is output here is D1. This is how this works. In the next lecture, we'll see how to construct the 4-to-1 multiplexer and its working.